Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Java Development Kit JDK in our system step by step. Open any browser and search for download JDK. Open Oracle website, official website. Here we have JDK 20 and 17. The latest version is 20. Click on Windows. Click on this 64-bit link to download. I have already downloaded this one. After download completed, click on the file which we downloaded. Click on as, click on next. This is the installation directory. If you need to change, you need to change here. Click on next. By installing this, we don't need to install JRE separately. Successfully installed. To check Java is installed correctly, go to command prompt. Java version, enter. Here Java 20 is installed in my machine. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel.